Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who secretly viewed your WhatsApp status or profile. So I will show you some steps or methods. So method number one is use read receipt strategically. Start by posting a status update on WhatsApp. If you turn off read receipts, others won't know you have viewed their status. However, if you decide to turn them back on, WhatsApp will retroactively inform the status owner that you have seen their status. This method allows you to see who has viewed your WhatsApp status, including contacts who initially had their read receipts disabled. Another trick is to post something intriguing or personal and observe who comments or reacts. Often, these are the people secretly keeping an eye on your status. Another method is to pay attention to any unusual patterns. If someone is consistently the first to view your status, send you messages as soon as you come online, they might be closely monitoring your activity. Additionally, if you notice frequent changes in your profile picture, it could be a sign that someone is watching. But you might ask, how do you know who viewed your WhatsApp profile picture secretly? Unfortunately, no app or feature on WhatsApp Direct shows this. Any application claiming to do so is likely fraudulent or ineffective. Instead, stay alert to comments or behaviors that might indicate someone has been checking your profile. Now, method number three is consider privacy settings. Tap on these three dots and simply go for these settings. To customize who can see your status, tap on this privacy. Now tap on profile picture. Limiting visibility can help you manage who can see what is on your profile. But remember, there is no guaranteed method to know who has viewed your profile picture as WhatsApp prioritizes users' privacy. But what if you suspect it's your WhatsApp story they are secretly viewing? No worries. So set these settings according to your need and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.